Hi guys, have a great weekend. So today we will do our afternoon hiking at Linear Trail, Manhattan, Kansas. So let's start. So here at the bench, so they have bench. You could rest. So rest a little bit and then we will start our afternoon walk. Keep watching. Sweet corn farm. It's up to that side. Nice house. And a big house. Oh, sweet corn side. Cornfield. Oh, I like the wind. So we're heading to the river outlook. Oh, that's where we came from. See the water on the side, the creek. Oh, I'm tired. South entrance.
Great place, man. Yeah.
Hiking day at Linear Trail. Okay. So for now, I already have like 6,000 steps. So we will try. I don't know. And I'm burning like 150 calories. But we're heading to the other side of the trail, so that's the starting point on this side, but we started at the halfway because we stayed and we live on that side. That's why we started the midway of the trail. So we'll see how the other side looks like. So let's go. And on this side you can see cornfield farm. It's already 7:30, but the sun is still up. It's so bright, so it's nice walking here. That's the cornfield on my side. Okay, we kept walking. I hope we could make it back home before it gets dark. And the mosquitoes are starting to bite us in some part, but this part is not so bad. So that's the starting point, and now we're heading back home this side. So we haven't tried the other half of the trail on that side, so if we could still make it, then we'll try to go to the other side. I mean the last the last part of the trail, because now it's almost like 7 p.m. But we will try. So there are also some people here to biking, running and hiking just like us. So it's a good exercise on the weekends. So it's a nice place. And maybe next time we'll try the other side where we can see the river Kansas. It's overlooked side, but I kinda walked so far, so we decided like, well, maybe we'll just go next time before it gets dark. So we keep walking and walking until we get to this side, because it's the side going there. That's where we started, from the town center, in the middle of the town center, where it says welcome to Manhattan, and the bridge. So that's like where we started before that bridge. The IMAX. So we're already here at the town center. I haven't seen a train. You see one?
There's one over there.
4? Heading to what? Railways. What?
The army base.
Army base? Oh, so this is for the army only?
That's for everybody.
Everybody? Okay. So Manhattan Hill. Right. What? Hello. So where is our apartment? It's there. That's the mall behind the... We still have an hour. Texas Road Hut with Chili's. Is that a bench? What? What is that? Whew. That's how far we had. So it's a nice place to walk with your pets too, with your dogs. And nice for them to walk around. And it's safe. Oh, I need to catch up. They're very far. I need to catch up with them. And this is the highway on the side. So somebody's tired. Cesar is resting on the bench. Oh, I think I need to rest too. My foot started to hurt. So there's a bench on this side. That's where I last time I was resting because I feel tired. So let's go and take a rest. From here you can see the Manhattan Hill. From the last video we had hiking and we went to the trails. This is the Manhattan Hill, so you can see it from this side. And we're tired, so we need to rest on this side. Kansas River. No, don't move yet. Oh, I'm thirsty too. Shut up. Kansas River on this side. For the river. Oh yeah. Kansas River up to that side. Yeah.
See the crane?
Oh yeah, the container van.
Oh, man.
Look at the river is heading to that side. Kansas River.
Looks like you're heading home.
You wanna go back now?
Go
Maybe just first, or that's the
Over
last
there?
point?
last one.
Maybe that's the river, right? On that side. So that's our last destination on that side, and then we head back home. So, I'm sitting down.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, see it's a small way, right?
Yeah.
Going out to the river.
Small one?
Yeah, I think the homeless people go to that side. See? A small trail. Whew. The dog just pooped. Don't step on it. See? It's going. Is there somebody lives on that side? No. Oh, my foot hurts now. Oh, it's not really. It's just tired. Shut it up. Part of the trail?
Is it?
I'm not sure. I don't check the GPS. That's the academy on Ross Dillon's.
Oh, man. Where are you all from?
Yep. Whew.
How do you get across?
Maybe just on that side. We'll check, and if it's nothing, then we head back home.
Around the bend?
You see the
Oh, we can
the
go there.
curve? Yeah, I can. Isn't that too low or the grass? Yeah.
You wanna go through here?
Yeah, we can. We're going now?
Keep going. Keep going over there. Nice.
Just the curve. You
Okay.
see the curve?
Yeah.
Oh,
We'll go to the curve.
yeah. And that's it. Last. Because it's so far now.
Is it?
Yeah, I think we have 10,000 or 12,000.
Is it?
1,200 steps. There's also a way on this side. Look at this one. Do you see it? What? See? Going there? The path? The small. What
There's a
is
path
it?
to go down.
Yeah, oh yeah. So this is it. No, we're heading home. Oh, so this is the last. But the linear is up to there and we're so tired. So that's all for now. We're heading back home and we don't want to go there because there will be a lot of mosquito for sure. That's it. The sun is still up. That's it for now. So that's the last flight that we had. There's still a way heading there, but we're all so tired. But we have to go home now before it's getting late. So that's all for now. See you in my next video. Bye bye.